Hi, this is Richie from SleepHaven. Just going to do a quick mattress clean. We're at a property where a lady is really susceptible to allergies. She's experiencing really sort of stuffed nose, streaming eyes, especially when she wakes up in the morning. And the property that we're at is an old property, so I think it's what it is. It's the dust and the dust mites within the carpet and in the mattress. So we're going to do a full clean here, just so to try and help the client. But what I thought was a good opportunity, we can do a black cloth test. So we've got a viewing canister here with black cloth in, and what we're going to do, we're going to clean the mattress. It gives the customer an idea of what we're extracting. So what we'll do, we'll make a start, and then you can see as well the benefits of having your mattress cleaned. Over the machine, we've just started to see what we're extracting.